How to make or add transparent background to subtitles and subtitle edit. To begin, I opened a subtitle and a video. First, change the format from SRT to Advanced Substation Alpha. Now the format is changed and all the lines have the default style. Click on this big A button in Toolbar to edit the style. Here, click on Opaque box to add a background, then make sure the drop-down is set to 1 box. Use Shadow Color. And click on Shadow Color and choose the color you want. But to make it transparent, just decrease alpha value. And then click on Apply and OK buttons. Now we have to burn this subtitle into video. Go to Video tab and click on Generate Video with Burn in Subtitle. And click on Generate button and save the video. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.